Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you guys how I sewed on a V-part that lasted through vacation, 2 vacations, washed it a few times, conditioned it, braided it. Pretty much this wig has been tested and she's gorgeous. It's a 250% density wig, so it's nice and full and curly. So today I'm going to show you guys how I install it by sewing it in so it can last as long as you want it to. It's essentially just like a faster version of a sew-in, super easy. And I'm also going to show you guys how I styled it to get this big fluffy look with no product in it. So if you want to see how I got this look, let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey loves, future Winnie popping in to let you guys know that I went ahead and picked the giveaway winners for our 75K giveaway, and to say thank you that we're almost at 80K. I'm so excited. We're on our road to 100,000, and I really wanted to just give back to you guys. So the prizes are fire. If you haven't yet, go ahead and check out my video where I announced it. The giveaway closed now, girl, but if you want the tea on what the prizes are, because it was some good ones, go ahead and check that out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the giveaway winners. The first prize, which is the Somber Hair V-part wig, is going to Porsha Smith. The second prize, which is the Unice Deep Wave V-part wig, is going to Denaeecha Pierre-louis. I hope I'm not pronouncing your name wrong. I hope I'm not pronouncing any of these names wrong. I am so sorry if I am, but I believe it's Denaeecha. And I'll be putting all of the spellings and everything on the video so you guys can see. And I'll be reaching out to you guys as well so I can ship those prizes out to you ASAP. I really want to ship them out this week, so hopefully everybody responds within like a reasonable amount of time, because baby, I want them to go to you as just as much as you do. I want them in your house. The third prize, which is the Unice 28-inch deep wave lace closure, is gonna go to my girl Michelle Matthias. Like, again, I'm so scared that I'm pronouncing y'all names wrong. Hopefully I'm not. Okay. The fourth prize, which is the 16-inch body wave lace closure, is gonna go to Carmella Wright. The fifth prize, which is the Mega Look 20-inch blonde highlight lace front, that's gonna go to Olivias World. The sixth prize, which is the Nadula 24-inch curly wig, is gonna go to Breyhanna. The seventh prize, the Kinky Curly Nadula frontal, is gonna go to Jessica Wijkens. And the eighth prize, the Toyo Tress wavy locks, are gonna go to Belinda Destin. So all of those names will be on the screen. If you want a prize, I'll be reaching out to you guys via Instagram DM to get your address and ship out your packages. I'm so excited for you guys to get them. Send me pictures. Y'all better put these wigs on, these locks, and slay, and I want to see. Okay, that's all I want. That's my little thank you. I just want to see y'all slaying these wigs, and I want to see if y'all paying attention to my tutorials. Will the edges be laid or not? To be continued. I cannot wait to see you guys in your wigs. I'm so excited for you. I'm excited for me. We're almost at 80K. Send this video to your homegirl right now, and let's go ahead and get back into the video. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. The hair came out really full. I didn't put any product in it, so it's big and fluffy, and the curls aren't too defined, but they're like defined. It's a fine line, and we've managed to perfect it. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Comment down below and let me know what texture I should try next for this sew-in wig. I've done kinky curly. This is the curly, so maybe like a body wave or like a long 30-inch straight. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, babes.